improvise using the do pentatonic scale, what you really need to know is the intervals. Do is the note that's on the second line. So if I'm going to improvise something in the do pentatonic scale, do can certainly be the first note, but it for sure has to be the last note. So I'm going to make sure I don't mess this up. I'm going to put do as the last note for sure. Then after that, improvising means you're making stuff up. You just have to remember all the stuff you know. So for instance, if I wanted to put mi between do and mi is a skip. So if do is on the second line, mi is on the third line. Okay, and sol is a skip higher than mi. So if I want to put sol, I would put it on the fourth line. That says do, mi, sol. And then I want to put a la. La is a step higher than sol, so I'm going to put it in the fourth space. Do, mi, sol, la. And then I think I'm going to put a mi. It's on the third line. Do. That's it. Is that the only thing you could do? No, you could do all kinds of stuff. So for sure, I'm going to put do here as the last note because do is our home tone. Do, re, line to space, do, re, mi, re, do. Ooh, I got some extra little dots there. Do, re, mi, re, do, do. That'll work. The important thing is you're just making sure that you use the first note which is provided as do, and then use do as your last note, and then after that, go to town. At the end of this video, you can click or touch next, or just select the blue puzzle piece. Use note heads to improvise a melody using the notes from the do pentatonic scale. Do is provided at the beginning, and you should make sure you also have it at the end as the last note. Definitely look at the tone stairs to help you get the intervals correct. Intervals means the space between the notes. Please use at least 3 different notes from the do pentatonic scale. If you want to use all 5, that's great too. But definitely don't just go do, 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 because that's not much of an improvisation. Okay, start attempt. All right, there are my tone stairs, and there's where I'm going to put my answer. So you can definitely look back and forth, back and forth. There's do. First thing I'm going to do is put do at the end because that is important that we end on do. Do, sol, because it goes line, 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 do, mi, sol, la, sol, do, do, sol, la, sol, do. That's 3 different notes because you got your do and your sol and your la. Is that all you could do? No. You just use what you know. Make sure you look at the tone stairs to get the intervals correct. Make sure do is your last note. Click review. Finish. Yes. And Schoology does not know how amazing you are. They can't grade this for you. You're going to have to wait for your teacher to grade it. And your teacher is so excited to see your do pentatonic scale improvisation.